Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for many living in the UAE: personal loans. Whether you're looking to finance a new car, consolidate debt, or cover unexpected expenses, understanding personal loans can make a huge difference. So let's break it down step by step. First things first, what is a personal loan? A personal loan is an unsecured loan that you can use for various personal expenses. Unlike a mortgage or auto loan, you don't need to put up collateral. This means you can use the funds for almost anything, from medical bills to travel expenses. There are mainly two types of personal loans: secured and unsecured loans. Secured personal loans. These loans require collateral, such as property or savings. They usually come with lower interest rates. Unsecured personal loans. These do not require any collateral, but the interest rates are typically higher. They are based on your creditworthiness. Now, let's talk about the eligibility criteria for obtaining a personal loan in the UAE. You must be at least 21 years old, and usually not older than 65 years by the loan maturity date, but for some banks it is 60 years. You need to be a resident, either a citizen or an expatriate. And you should be a confirmed employee working for a company that falls under the lender's approved list of employers. However, a few banks lend for persons who are working with non-listed employers who can meet banks' criteria. Most banks require a minimum monthly salary, typically around 5,000 to 10,000 Emirati dirhams, depending on the lender. A good credit score is essential. Lenders will check your credit history to assess your repayment ability. In the UAE, a credit score above 680 is considered good. Al Etihad Credit Bureau, AECB, which is wholly owned by the UAE federal government, issues credit reports for both companies and individuals, nationals and residents. When it comes to loan amounts, personal loans in the UAE can range from 20,000 to 3 million dirhams, or even more for UAE nationals, depending on your income and credit score. Amount of the personal consumer loan has been set at 20 times the salary or the total income of the borrower, and banks and finance companies must make sure that this limit is not exceeded. Repayment terms can vary from 6 months to 4 years, giving you flexibility in how you manage your payments. Next up, let's discuss the documentation required for a personal loan application. 1. A copy of your passport and residency visa. 2. Your Emirates ID is essential for identification. 3. A salary certificate from your employer confirming your income. 4th. Bank statements. Usually the last 3 to 6 months of bank statements are required. Some banks might ask for additional documents like proof of employment or personal references. Alright, now that you have all the necessary documents, let's go through the application process. 1. Compare different banks and their offers to find the best interest rates and terms. 2. Fill out the loan application form, either online or in person, and submit your documents. 3. The bank will review your application, check your credit score, and assess your documents. Most of the UAE banks ask their customers to transfer their salary to the lending bank, and a salary transfer letter from employer, which works as a promise letter that salary will be transferred until his/her personal loan is paid off. 4. If approved, the bank will disburse the loan amount to your account. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. One of the most important aspects to consider is the interest rates and any additional fees. Personal loan interest rates in the UAE typically range from 3% to 8% flat per annum. But this can vary significantly based on the lender, your monthly income, credit score, and the company you are working for. Additionally, watch out for processing fees, insurance fee, which vary from bank to bank. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to remember when applying for a personal loan. 1. Know your credit score before applying to understand your eligibility. 2. Don't settle for the first offer. Shop around for the best rates. 3. Always read the terms and conditions carefully to avoid any surprises. 4. Only borrow what you need and can afford to repay. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to personal loans in the UAE. If you found this video helpful, please give us thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.